What's up, guys? Mischief Men here. The wastegate was stuck on the mini Minto. Alright, we're in. Got Burky up front. Let's see if this thing built good.
I am the wastegate.
Yes, that's awesome.
First gear pull.
Did we hit 9? It looked like it.
That's what it looked like.
Wait, did it actually build? I was.
It did, it did.
Yeah, bro,
go around, you can go around, yeah.
Go out towards the road, turn around the road, and come down there. I'm pretty sure you were like 8 or 9. I'm gonna try
I watched it.
Alright, it's shut. Actually, go across the Hines. A little bit of pulling room.
Yeah, you should be alright. Yeah,
What's going on?
Like it's not going. I'm
He's
mad.
kind of cutting in. He's cutting out.
Like that's me matted.
Open or close? I did both, just try and release. It's open now.
Alright, so he's over here like messing with the wastegate on the turbo.
Definitely all-wheel for or fucking 50 people.
That's matted.
Oh yeah. It actually built boost though?
Yeah.
Well, why isn't it running right though?
It just sounds like a fucking misfire.
So what would that be?
Well, fuel or spark, so let's pull the plugs. Trying to figure out what's wrong with your car.
This is awesome though.
I let it out. This is cracking.
7, 8. Yeah, I saw that.
We hit the bottom of 9, so.
It hits 9 when you're really fucking, like it's because I'm matted.
Yeah.
But the thing is, it doesn't drive normal. You have to drive it matted to get up to speed normally. That's not how it was when we first got it. It's a normal vehicle still.
Yeah.
Right. Pull the plugs. See what's up with those?
You got an extension with a dangler. We do. That's the booster.
Yeah. To back.
Alright, what are we doing? Do it again?
Cut off here.
Yep.
And cut off back here.
Yep.
Put the bent pipe and then straight back. And then we'll put whatever on the rear.
Gotcha. Alright, so we're cutting the exhaust right now. About to. Get the sawzall. Straight pipe. In the works. Coming soon. It will be straight pipe. Getting ready for that DOD.
So I guess we'll just there. So whenever we cut here and here, this will fit right up in and we'll just water fucking tight.
Sounds good. Cutting it up. It's gotta be close. Damn. Ooh. Pull?
Not yet.
After you get that.
Alright. That's unplugged in.
Need to take out the sensor. O2 sensor. O2 sensor, where's he at? There it is. Yeah. Hold up, boy. Hold it, ears. Unplugging. O2 sensor. Oh. I'm going to push the vent back. This. I got this. You just say when to brake. Huh? Scoot that bitch out the way. Hey. Kentucky, lift it up. Hey. Hold on. Yeah.
Oh, you got
I ain't moving shit by myself. Here. There. Now push him.
There you go.
There.
Yes, sir.
Jesus.
You clear out the system or something.
Maybe we just do like a rubber hose and prime the pump a couple times, or even cut it open and prime the pump. Knock whatever out of there if there's dirt in the lines.
I think the filter's like wrong.
Could be. So, I mean, it's building perfect boost now. 9 pounds is a lot.
But it doesn't. But it still doesn't. It doesn't run a negative vacuum. Yeah. Like.
Well, it runs whenever it's fine. Like, it runs negative vacuum when it's closed.
Yeah.
When I opened it, it ran like shit. Like, that's a fuel issue.
Well, no money for that cat. It's already hollowed out. You son of a bitches. You take money from me. Nice. So if I didn't tell you guys, we are straight piping the E36. If this doesn't look like what we're doing, which it is what we're doing. All right, guys. So this is a JDM heart. Burky got from, like, he ordered them from Japan, I guess. I don't know. Don't hold me to that. I'm not sure. But you can get like a 2 heart exhaust, because here's the other one. If you guys can see that heart right there. Which now, I got the second one. We're gonna add that thing onto the straight pipe exhaust. It's gonna come out the tip here, and it's gonna shoot flames. It's gonna look like that. Yeah. Straight piped all the way back on this side. Damn, it's actually like pretty warm in here. It's holding heat right now for some reason. It's just not cold outside.
That's what it's gonna do.
Alright, we're going to hold the tip up so we can get an angle on it. Right about there?
Yeah. If you want to put the jack under it, it'll hold it up.
True that.
We're gonna have to make like an exhaust hanger back there.
Yeah, we'll figure something out. We can weld something. So that's the JDM heart. It's the heart because you guys love Mischief. You can't hate us because we cause mischief. More to come on other drift cars, for sure. We're gonna start buying more packs. About to do some welding. So update on the mini Minto. We're gonna see if it has a fuel cut, and they're gonna try to get new spark plugs for it and freshen it up a little bit, see what's going on. So that'll come tomorrow. Right now, like I said, we're doing exhaust work on the E36. Just wanted to let you guys know, because it was a little backwards when I first started the video, because we were like in the van and whatnot. This welder is only temporary, by the way. We're gonna pick up another one, like a newer brand at Harbor Freight. I forget what they're called, but you'll see that one to come in like the future, maybe next month.
So, but I mean, it fucking puts bead.
Yeah, it's put to be that, it don't matter. And it's filling in the holes. So fuck it. She's not pretty, but nothing comes pretty from a Chicago fucking electric welder. Nothing. They poop. They poop. Very poopy. Everybody knows that. It's drift car approved. He says it is done besides welding the tip. So like, damn. He literally did that shit in fucking less than like 30 minutes. So now the tip needs welded. And then this will be the end of the video. The exhaust for an E36 got welded. Straight piped.
So to the side.
Straight out to the side. Go to the side again. Straight out. Probably straight out.
Straight up?
Yeah, straight out. We'll stick with the straight out.
Is that good there?
Looks good to me. Looks good on camera. Is it straight, guys? Yeah, it's straight. My battery is blinking red. And no, I still haven't got the new battery. It don't matter. It's just gonna shoot flames anyway. It's gonna shoot love flames. Love flames.
Love flames and smoke rings.
Right? Dustin is the man.
Some days.
Yes! That's awesome. So it's pretty much almost done. Like, it's got the exhaust. The diff is welded. Burky's cool for that. Shout out to Burky Films for that. You guys have to go check his channel out for all the cool stuff that he did with Hager Garage Racing Co. Yeah. This car is drift approved, straight up. All I need is to put the Audi wheels on the front, and then I'm going to do, I need 2 drift spares for the rear. 2 more sets of drift spares. And then we'll be straight up going to DOD, 100 Drifters of December at Drift Nirvana, Summit Point Raceway. It's a little bit mixed up, but who gives a fuck? All right guys, go like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell up in the corner, somewhere up in this area, wherever. Yeah, do it. You'll be seeing us again in the next few days.
I've been listening to you, to you, to you, to you, to you.